How to register Amazon Prime Video on mobile. Now if you want to register your Amazon Prime Video on mobile, you just simply need to open your Amazon Prime Video application or the web browser of Amazon Prime, and after that just simply open the site of primevideo.com. And once you open this, you will see your profile icon from the top right corner. Tap into that and then you will see the option of sign in. Select that one, and once you tap to the sign in button, you need to tap to create account in order to register to mobile device. First of all, you need to enter your first name and last name in order to register to an account, and then enter your mobile number, or you can also use your email address instead of that. You can just simply do that and then create a password for your Amazon account, and then you need to tap to create your Amazon account button, and this way, after doing this very easy step, your Amazon Prime Video account will be registered on your mobile device. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.